Honeywell humidifiers are your solution to dry air and creating a more hospitable breathing environment. To ensure your Honeywell humidifier is always functioning at full capacity, it is recommended you change your humidifier filter every 1 to 3 months depending on usage. Honeywell offers a variety of replacement humidifier filters for you to choose from, and even offers a replacement reminder sent directly to your email. On the product page of your chosen filter, simply click the Order Reminders tab, enter the appropriate information, and you're all set. For more information or to purchase a Honeywell humidifier filter, visit www.honeywellstore.com.